Yes, good.
What's going on, y'all niggas? It's your boy Dirty, and I'm not dirty, but we dirty. You know what I'm saying? I hope y'all goonettes and gooners having a good day. Feel me? I don't know where the fuck I'm going right now. Y'all experiencing shit with me. For real this time. No, that ass, who be living back here? Shit, let me come over for the one time. That lake look fishy. Man, I hate when a lake don't have fish. Like, what the fuck is the point of this body of water? Nigga, nobody drinking from this nasty ass shit. Like, what the fuck? You a waste of space, bro. I swear. Niggas just love decoration. Oh my god, I ain't got no gas. Got no gas. I don't know where the fuck I'm at. And them fluffy dogs ain't no joke, bro. It's all fun and games until like, you got this 5-inch fucking strand coming out your eyeball. And it's not even like it's on your eyeball. You literally pulling that shit from behind your shit. This shit crazy. I've never been back here before. It's a new, man, I've never seen this side of sunrise, bro.
Navigation is not active.
Man, shut your ass up, bro. I don't even know who the fuck turned your ass on talking about navigation. Nigga, what? Oh, I know I'm not right now. Shit. Ooh, that C8 so sexy. One of these days, bro. One of these days, I'm gonna have a female complaining about how she can't reach over that little hump thing. Type shit. Where the fuck am I at, bro? God damn. I ain't got shit to talk about today, bro. My last 2 videos, I was just rambling. I ain't gonna lie. Nigga was just rambling the whole time. Tell me if y'all niggas be rolling up. I ain't gonna lie, I don't be rolling up. I definitely don't be smoking. I don't be smoking. Police in the chat. I don't be smoking. But I do like to smoke. But I personally don't smoke. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, this might just be a test. Might be a little testy westy. My young besties, you feel me? My young besties. Y'all follow me on Instagram at Dirty M550i. Get my little Instagram followers up so then one day start posting fit pics. You know what I mean? Fit pics, and then the ladies can follow me so I can get titty pics. I mean, okay, that last part, I'm keeping myself. I hate when regular people driving a fucking goddamn. Are you regular and you driving in a police car? Like, what you trying to do? Your females need to stop, bro. Why you so much under your steering wheel? Why if something fall, you gotta move your seat back? That should have been the first sign, bro. That your shit too close. If your phone fall out your hand, You should not have to readjust your whole seating position just to reach it. That's diabolical. You crazy. You need to stop that. Yo, go beep your mother. Oh, dirty boy. Dirty boy. Nah, go lie. If they catch me before a certain time of day, they wicked. Bumbo clot, man. Over there, beep. I'm guilty. Come beep your mama. Bumbo clot, brethren. Shit. Man, I need some coochie juice, bro. It's like, damn. My God, you ever wake up and be like, bro, I need a fresh glass of coochie juice? It's so sad. It's so sad. It's like my health is like my mental health and my physical health is like declining because I ain't got no coochie juice. Like it's different. It just life just different where you can just come home, play the game, and lick on some coochie right quick. You feel me? It hit different. I might have to cut that part out. Fuck you, I ain't cutting nothing out. Y'all get this shit raw. This shit raw as fuck. Well, not necessarily raw. I be cutting shit out for real. The most I cut out is like a stoplight. You know what I mean? Y'all be getting everything, all my dumb shit, everything, everything. Which I don't know if y'all appreciate me being stupid, but the nigga is stupid. What's up, bro? If you live in Sawgrass, tell me what's up with these niggas riding a bike every fucking weekend, bro. Like, bro, this shit like sort of pissing me off. Sorta. Not gonna lie. Cause for one, they need a whole fucking lane. And two, how the fuck this nigga just ran the light? No. Y'all wanna be cars and shit. Y'all gotta do car shit. Y'all gotta do car shit. Like, what the fuck? Y'all can't be just halfway in the shit. Like, y'all better be following the speed limit. Like, god damn. And two, as a dude, why would I want spandex on my ass like that? Like a Mr. Frozen or some shit. Man, what the fuck? Not even Frozone, but Mr. Frozone. That nigga dad. Well, he black. He probably ain't have one in there. That's probably where his dad went. Looking for his suits. Never came back. So sad. So sad out here. Went to go save the day. Went to go play in some coochie. But I'll be wondering, where the fuck these niggas be going when they say your dad just walked out and never came back? What where does that nigga go? You not have his number? Like, I know, bro, that shit should be fishy. I be a little skeptical. Cause I don't know what it is about females, bro. Once they go through a little rough patch, it's like, fuck the world. I'm like, little lady, chill out. Chill out, bro. It's gonna be better. Like, did you forget you did this the whole life? The whole time you've been on this earth, bro? Ain't never been one moment where it's like, damn, I ain't never been through nothing since Tommy and what was I gonna say? Nothing stressful before. You know what I'm saying? Back in the day, you was probably stressing about that little project your ass didn't do. See what I'm saying? So it's like, bro, relax. You gonna be alright. Y'all ass stressing about problems right now that won't be problems later on. But like, it's like you just growing for real. It's like I call this shit growing pains. So it's like on some real shit, bro. You over here stressing about, I don't know what you stressing about, but it's like, bro, you used to stress about dumb shit back in the day, like, oh, I'm out of Play-Doh or some shit, or the fact that your ass was supposed to take the chicken out the fridge, and you hear a mom car pulling in. But then again, God fought with you, and she actually forgot something, so she going to Walmart. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, you always gonna be in stressful situations, bro. Calm your little ass down. And some of y'all females better be too fine to be thinking about killing yourself. Like, why would you do that? Don't leave me with the chop, bitches. Like, damn. Fuck. Leave me with the chop, bitch. Bro, I'm gonna cut this part out for sure. But like, bro, what? I can't even say it because I don't even want to cut it out. Once I start cutting shit, once I start putting things in a category to be cut, it's like I can't stop. But like, bro, you not serious, bro. You not finna kill yourself over this little ass situation. And it be something simple, like, nigga, you just need a man. Like, damn. Oh my gosh, I'm so lonely. You probably horny woman. Calm your ass down. Go get you a cat and a Bible. I ain't good. You probably just need some dick.
That body, hot dolly, you know if you sit on it, you want this stiff cocky, she a blank traffic.